everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Buddy the Elf in a cartoon form. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up. So I'm going to start here, we're just going to go down, and I'm going to curve up like this for a big U or like a big smiley face. Now, starting back here, we're going to add just a little curved line here, and then a little curved line up here for the ears. Now, right here, we want to add the face. I'm going to begin by adding a circle right here for an eye, and then I'm going to put another circle over here for the other eye. Then I'm going to add 2 black dots in here for the pupils. I'm going to make a little curved line like this for the nose. Leave a little bit open at the top. Then right across here, I'm going to add a little line. And then you want to make a big line that goes down and up for the mouth. And then we'll add a little curved line in here for the tongue. Next, starting here, right above the ears, I'm going to add 2 little curved lines on each side. And then I want to make his really curly hair. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to add some really curly bumps that are going to come all the way across here. And I'm going to bring these all the way down to the other side, right here. Then I'm going to add some curly lines that come across here. I'm also going to add 2 little eyebrows here. Next, starting up here, you want to add a line that goes up and then down till it comes to a point and then comes back down. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves up and comes down for the feather, with a little line in there. Then we're just going to draw a little line that curves across for some detail on the hat. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes down and up for the neck. Starting here, we're just going to draw 2 little diagonal lines. I'm going to curve this and then bring it up. And same thing here, curl it around and bring it up. Then right here, we're going to draw 2 little lines that come out. I'm going to bring this line down, and this one's going to come down here. Then we're going to curl both these lines up to here. I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down and over. Same thing here, it's going to go up, down, and then over. We'll add a little line here, and then a little line right here. Then I'm going to add a little circle here for the hand, and then another little circle here for the hand. Right across here, I'm going to add a little curved line. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines going down with another curved line underneath it. Starting here, we're going to draw 2 little lines that just go out. And then they're going to come right up here. Now right here, I'm going to draw 2 diagonal lines. And then 2 lines that are going to go down. I'm going to draw a little line that goes straight down. And then we'll just connect it across here. Starting here, we'll draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve up, and it's going to come back to here and up. Same thing here, we come up to a point, and I'm going to curve back and up to here. Then I'll add a little diagonal line on each side. Right here, I'm going to add 2 little lines. Down the middle, we're going to add a little line for the shirt. And then 2 lines here with a little square inside for the belt. And there you go. There is your drawing of Buddy the Elf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.